Okay, good evening. This is Carrie B from Fun and Things Boutique, Gifted Creations. And this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design your Clack fan. So here's the template, and the template will be loaded to my website for $5. And it's going to be simple and easy. So once you open up the link for the template, you're going to be able to adjust all of this around. What you don't want to do, you do not want to resize this or that. Do not resize at all. Do not resize. I repeat, do not resize at all. This right here is your base for your image for your fan. It is the round part of the fan. So you do not want to mess with that. That right there is your protected piece while you're designing for the bottom of the fan. Okay? For the bottom of the fan. So do not move that at all. Now what you want to do is you can change your background. If you want a background, change your background. Bang. They got to come down to there if I touched it. There we go. Okay, change your background. Just give yourself a cute little background. There we go. Now if your background sits on front of your paper, which it shouldn't, then just hit position and push it in the back. And so this is where you want to design it. You want to design in here. So I'm going to go in here first. I'm going to find me some, let me go. I like sparkles and stuff like that. Okay. So I'm going to add some. I'm going to click elements over here on the left hand lane. I'm going to click elements and I'm going to find me some sparkles. We want some sparkles. Let's put white sparkles. Let's see what we come up with there. Bang. Since I got paint. So, because this is your designing space right here for the fan itself. So let's put that. Let's just put some sparkles. Not up in the pink. Right here. Okay? Right here. Because you're going to move that out the way. So whatever you want your background to be, that's going to be your background. That's going to be the color of your fan. All right? So let's drop a few of those. All right. And so we're just going to drop some sparkles in here. Can make them a little smaller. But when you get the template, all you got to do is just remove this. I'm just showing you this is your space that you want to design. Do not go past that line right there. Do not go past that. Don't lay nothing on top of that. Okay, so here we go. Now, let me go and find, who should I put in there? Let me upload over here. Let me put my friend in here. Let me see. Let me remove that out the way. Put my friend in here. My friend passed away, and so we're going to drop her in there. Let's drop her in there. I don't really like, I know that's what I'm going to do too. We're going to drop her in there. Let's drop her over here. Let's make it smaller. I might move them sparkles out the way. We don't know yet. Let's see. We got another picture of me and her. Let's remove the background. Hit BG, remove the background. Let's make that smaller. I just want y'all to see that this is your, and I got to remember that I'm not printing this. I'm not printing this, so I don't need to be working like I'm printing it, because that's exactly what I'm over here doing, and that's not what I'm going to do. I'm not printing this. I'm just doing a template. So we put that on top of that, and that worked pretty good. Let's click that one. There we go. There we go. Make it a little smaller. I don't like that edgy thing. I don't like that edgy thing. Okay, this is your designer space. I just told myself don't do that. All right, so let's go get some clouds. Watch this. Let's go get some white clouds. Elements. Click elements. And now I want some clouds. White clouds. Okay. Ooh, okay. Remember, stay inside of here. Remember that. Just stay inside of here. I can't find all my pictures of my BF, and I don't know why. That's weird. I know I cleaned my system out, but I didn't know I cleaned my missing you. Now I'm going to go get a text. I'm going to go get a text. I like where the clouds is sitting at. I need this text right here. I need you to come down some. I need that one to come down some. I need you to come over some. That'd have been cute, but we're not doing that. See how that's choppy right there? I'm not a fan of choppy, but it ain't much I can do about that. Let me see. Oh, yes, I can. There you go. Fix it. Crazy girl. You chopped it. Oh, that's what's going on. Not that side. I didn't chop that side. All right. Not this side neither. Okay. So, let's move this cloud over some more. Then I'm going to put words missing you somewhere over here. I'm going to go to text. I'm just going to grab. And I'm going to type missing you. All right. We're going to grab that. And we're going to highlight it. I want to change the font. I'm not a Canva fan. I'm not a Canva Sand fan. We're going to change that. Let's see if I like this one. Yeah, too big. Let's find a font. I like Chloe. Chloe always seems to attracts me. Missing you. Peanut, I think Daddy calling you. Missing you. So this will be my design area right here. Right? That will be it. If I was going to print this, that will be my area that I will print on. Just like that. Okay? Just like that. Okay? It will be that right there. Don't go below this line and don't go above that line. Stay right up in here. Okay? And then you're going to click on the purple. You're going to move it out the way. Okay? Because you don't want that. You don't want that with your image. Okay? You want to move that out the way. And then you're going to move this out the way. What's that right there? How you get up there? You're going to move that out the way. Your purple. All right? And then that will be my design. Okay? And then the next thing I would do is, of course I would do it better than that. But I'm doing this for the video purposes. Because I'm going to create a real template. Something more prettier. Okay? And then I would go over here and click save. Download. Okay? And just the page that you want. And I will want page 1. Share. Download. Do not hit transparent background. I would delete the other 2 and just do 1. All I want is 1. And then I will hit download. And then I will select PDF. I will select PDF. I will save it as a PDF. You got to have Adobe Reader to do it as PDF. This is how I do my files. Okay? Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to go over to a PDF file that's already done. Okay? So this one right here was done. We ain't printed yet. That's one. You open up your PDF file. Okay? And you hit print. Okay? And you hit print. When you buy the template, you just buying the template, which going to come to you in a PDF file. But that's not the file that you want to use. You're going to open it up. You're going to click on the link so you can reconstruct your images. You can redo it. And then you will hit print. When you hit print, it's going to tell you how many pages. 8 pages, because that's 11.5 by 8. I'm using 11.5 by 8 paper. If you're using a bigger paper, you want to come over here to document size, whatever size you're using. If you're using 13 by 19, type in 13 by 19. If you're using 11 by 17, type in 11 by 17, because it's going to change. Document cannot be printed on this page size. Select the value page and output document. Inherit 13. Okay, so what it's going to do is going to change. It's going to change how many I need. So I put it on a bigger size and change it to 4. Let me put that thing back because I've been I forgot. Okay, so is whatever size paper you got. That's the clear that thing out, babe. There you go. Stop. Okay, so that's what you want to do. Let's just cancel this. Alrighty, that's what you want to do. You want to make sure that you have the right size. Okay, close current. All right, this was one that I did earlier, right here, and that is this one right here. That's how it came out, looking like that, all pretty and nice. Pretty and nice, as you can see. Something got stuck right here. Maybe stuck. Don't be doing that. Don't start doing that. All right, gotta make sure all that glue is missing. Okay. And so that is how you want to template up your image. You want to stay in that designing space like I showed you. All right. Well, right there. Yeah, well, right there. All right. Let's go get our little black spot. That's what's going to help you. Just stay right where you're supposed to stay at. All this need to go in the back. That need to go in the back. Position that forward. No, backwards. See? See how when I push the backward button, everything come back? Now, this is just a tutorial to show you how to make sure your stuff stays in the proper place. Do not, I repeat, do not move that or do not do that. You can change the color for your own liking, but do not remove it. All right? If you have any questions, feel free to email me or contact me through Messenger. Have a blessed day.